Wait! I made everyone sandwiches!
Lock up for us, I forgot your name. Bye.
Have fun in the house, nerd.
Road trip, baby. Let's have fun, kids. Let's go.
Road trip vlog, day 1. Wave if you're actually invited.
Family -1, as usual. It's like they always forget they have a third son.
Left you behind again, huh? Come grab the good walnut.
Thanks, Hollis. You always know. Just you and me tonight, buddy. I'll make you smooth as glass.
Brought the good grit. What are we building tonight?
Mom's birthday box! Hand-cut joints and everything. Yeah.
Whoa. Did you cut these by hand? Grown pros can't do that.
I just can't stop once I start.
You're pure beaver, Rowan. When you hear water trickling, you just can't rest till it's built.
Mom's birthday haul is actually iconic, chat.
Coco, a spa robe? You precious thing.
Got you the top spa package, Mom. Certified W gift.
My 2 perfect babies. What would I do without you?
I, made you this one, Mom.
Oh, I almost forgot you existed. Thanks, hun. Pop it on the shelf.
You can open it right now, if you want.
Ooh, I think I have a good use for that. Perfect size. This door's been killing me for weeks.
A doorstop. What a nice birthday gift.
Yeah. Why did I even bother?
$400 and I'm slaying that showcase.
Fresh rims for my MVP. Anything for the champ.
Could I get $40? My last chisel snapped.
We're tapped out, hun. Can't support your stupid hobby.
Yeah, who even buys a chisel? Such a nerd.
It's not a stupid hobby.
Everyone say hi to the basement gremlin.
Please don't put me on blast.
Chill, you're not even postable.
Almost there. Woohoo! No way! Look, Hollis, I got in. The design program actually took me.
Youngest they ever picked. Invite your family to the showcase. I'm sure they'll be proud.
There's a showcase this Saturday featuring my furniture. I saved you guys the front row.
Saturday's Brock's basketball game, bud.
Yeah, and I'm the one covering Brock's game, so sorry.
Real athletes don't miss games for hobby stuff. Ew.
That's my star. Go get him Saturday, big boy.
Well, I'm just gonna leave it here if you change your mind. Here's my entry, everyone. 4 seats reserved, but no family in sight. What did I expect?
Don't be so glum, Rowan. Look.
Thank you, everyone!
Did you see my 2 points? I looked so good out there.
Get in the pic, #future MVP.
That's my champ. Undefeated bloodline.
I'm leaving.
Leaving? Where? The basement?
No one in this house even sees me, so I'm gone. For good.
Cool. It's nice to get rid of the untalented one.
Grab some milk if you ever decide to crawl back.
You wish. Every joint cut by hand, ladies and gentlemen.
How did the exhibit go? Big shot.
It went well, but I got something more exciting than that. Look!
You earned every bit of that, kid.
Finally, everyone sees me now.
Not fair. Why is he so famous?
Maybe if you didn't blow your knee playing basketball, you'd be famous too.
Guys, I don't know what to do. How are we gonna pay these bills? We're broke.
Maybe Rowan can help us. Let's pray he returns our calls one of these days.